Hello, ClassFit Sugar. I'm Nikki Nie, and today I have for you a 10-minute low-impact standing abs workout. This episode is presented by Allegra. For non-drowsy, 24-hour allergy relief that starts working in 1 hour, try Allegra this allergy season.
When your allergies are in check, working out in the outdoors can be an absolute game changer. Here's some of my favorite tips for getting the most out of your outdoor workout. Rushing through outdoor workouts can make them a lot less enticing. Increase your intensity slowly as you pause to enjoy your surroundings. Stepping away to get outdoors is always the first thing to fall to the wayside, so add it into your schedule. Treat it like an appointment you can't miss. With Allegra's Airways tool, you can check which travel routes near you have the better air quality so you can get to your destination ready to embrace the outdoors. Now, let's get back to your workout.
You ready to turn on that core? Let's go. Let's go. All right, I know life is busy, so let's just get started with this 10-minute standing ab workout right away with a side bend. So bring one arm to the side of the ear and then just reach down. The legs are just parallel and you're sliding the arm down the outside of the leg towards your knee, keeping the torso nice and long as you reach up and over. So this workout, we got 2 rounds. It's 30 seconds each move without any breaks. So we're just going straight through, getting it done today. So take care of yourself, take any modifications as needed. For 3, 2, we're gonna go right over to the other side, switch it out, take it up and over. So just being really gentle, find that length even through the side that you're crunching on. And as you come back to center, really feel the core engage, the obliques engage, even just the transverse abdominals, so everything is being held in as you move through this workout. Keep that going. Let's finish out with 5 more seconds, and we're gonna take it to our second move. It's an oblique twist, starting with the right side in 3, 2, and 1. So you can keep your elbows bent, and we'll take the leg across the body to the opposite elbow. No need to bend the supporting leg, maybe just a little micro bend to protect the knee. And just getting everything done with the intensity and the energy is up, but the impact is low. We don't need to jump around in order to get the core super strong to help support you through the rest of your day. You feeling it? I feel it. Okay,
sure.
Cool. Really try not to grip the quad here. Really find that lift of the leg through the obliques. We're finishing it out in 3, 2, 1. Let's take it right away to the other side. So no pauses, so make sure that you're breathing this entire time. The breath is so important to guide you, to stay present, and to oxygenate the body. So in through the nose, out through the nose, keeping it going. How are we feeling? We good? Starting to feel a little bit?
They're on.
Yeah, a little bit. Switching it on. We're just warming it up, getting it going. All right, we got 3, 2, and 1. Let's take it. Finding your balance, drive the knee to the front and then turn it out to the side. So it's parallel and then to the side. The arms reach up. Use a little bit of the back and the biceps to draw the elbows in towards your waist. And the knee doesn't need to be high, but if you got that range of motion, I mean, lift that up. Get that lift. Feeling it. Yes. There's a tiny bit of a crunch in the waist without losing your posture. We're gonna finish it out on the other side in 3, and 2, and 1. Right away we go. Keeping it moving today.
Yes.
We got no time to waste.
No.
I know your life is busy, doing the most, juggling all the things. So we just get this done right away. Hit it, quit it, keep it moving.
I love it.
Right?
Yeah.
All right, notice how you feel, where you can maybe find a little bit more lift, a little bit more power and strength. For 3, for 2, and 1. Good. Go ahead and take one leg back, arms overhead. It's just a pike kick. So bringing the leg up and then finding the balance down. So just bringing that leg up. It does not need to be high, even if it's low. See if again you could scoop the belly. So feel the energy coming from underneath the leg rather than a grip of the quad to come up. My dancers might know this. It's a little grand mama. Classic. Yeah. You do not have to be technically trained in order to do this pike kick. Keeping it up. 3.
It's all about the abs, right?
For 2, yes, all about those abs. Just give me one more. Woo, right away, other side. So find the balance on the supporting leg and then take the leg up. Arms reach high, find the stretch through the abdominal muscles, and then lifting that leg to your maximum. What is that today?
It's a nice balance test too.
Right, I know.
It really is, right? Gotta find the balance, and if you fall over, that is okay. If you maybe have a little wall next to you, you can always use that. Keeping the breath going, vibes high, get that leg up, stretch it out.
Oh yeah.
All right, that is almost there for 3, for 2. We're taking it to a press twist. So open up the legs wide, just a slight turn out, soft bend in the knees, and then press through the heel of the hand, and then find your rhythm here as you really feel the waist start to narrow down as you press it out. Keep that going. Find your breath. How we doing? Could you get punched in the gut right now and still be okay?
Yeah.
That's the vibe we want right now. You could get punched in the gut and it wouldn't be a sucker punch because you'd be like, oh, I got abs of steel. For 3, for 2, stay right here. Turn out the toes a little bit more. It's a sumo squat with a side bend. Take the elbow to the opposite or to the same side of your quad. Make sure that the knees are not falling in, so you're actually getting a sneaky little leg workout for this one.
Oh, yeah.
And an outer thigh workout, drawing the knees back. This is the last exercise, then we're gonna repeat everything from the top. Sound good?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And then that's it. Just like that, you got your abs done. You can do this every day. Low impact, not gonna mess up your joints. Let's finish it out here. Last one. All right, so good. Take it back up and over for that side bend. Keeping the fingertip behind the ear, elbow wide. Chest is proud. I mean, have that stance, that posture. Be proud, be open, walk around with confidence. I feel like when you show up for yourself and you get your workout in, it's so much easier to feel that in everything that you do for the rest of the day.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Right? All right, other side right away. Keeping it moving. I know you busy doing all the things, taking care of everyone else, and this is your 10 minutes to take care of you. Fill up that cup, okay?
Right.
We want to overflow, and that's how we serve. That's how we pour into the people we love. All right, catch your breath here. We're gonna go into those obliques twists next. Finish it out in 3, 2, and 1. So now moving on into the oblique twist. Find your balance as you drive the knee across the body. Really use those external and internal obliques to get that leg up.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you got it. You know what it is now. So that means the second round, you could find even better form. Maybe you're even moving slower for this one. That might be where the challenge is for you. Oh my goodness.
That's hard.
Okay. We're gonna switch it out. A smooth transition in 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's like a choreographed dance. Let's go. Keep smiling through it. Keep breathing through it. You're doing amazing. It is not easy to get a workout done, especially virtually. So I really feel you. We are here together, keeping each other motivated, right?
Yes, we are.
All right, we're gonna go to our knee lift, front and side, starting with that opposite leg in 3, 2, 1, taking the arms up, and then driving the knee nice and high, front, and then externally rotate side. So your standing leg is parallel. The working leg, make sure it's parallel, and then externally rotating. And then can you reach a little bit higher? Find the whole stretch of the body. And again, you feel it?
Feel that back.
Do you like it fast or
all of
slow? Ooh, find your rhythm. All right, we're gonna go right away. Again, that graceful, seamless transition after this one. Other side, let's take it up and to the side. And so we have lots of ranges of motion. Our bodies are not meant to be the same, so it doesn't need to look like us. Find what works for you, what feels good for you, gives you that burn. Yeah, it's our differences. It's those unique gifts that we all have, that we look different, that make us have that extra special sauce.
Oh yeah. I love
Finish
that
it out.
sauce.
Right? We like that sauce. Let's go to the pike kicks. Take it back. We got our last 2 minutes, my friend. Come on, keep it spicy.
We love the spice.
The spice and the sauce.
Oh yeah, we got it all.
I don't know, am I hungry? A spicy, saucy workout for the abs. Keeping it going. And again, slowing it down might be what makes it a little bit more intense. Can we do that nice seamless transition? One more, and then it's like a little ball change to the other side. Okay, kickball change, let's go. You know, we just try to make it fun, right? If it's not fun, I don't want to do it. We gotta find the fun, the play, and everything that we do. Ladies, one more minute. What? 3, 2, 1. Let's take a nice and low press twist. Bend the knees, take it across the body. So I like this one a little bit faster. Really find that extension across, and then try not to bounce here. So it's not up and down, you're balancing that glass of water on your head.
Ooh, that's a good one, I like that.
There we go.
In.
Yeah.
Got that, Tara?
Yeah. Okay, keeping it moving. That's right. For 3, for 2, our last exercise, stay nice and low. Go ahead, turn out the toes. We have a nice deep sumo squat. Use the outer thighs, elbows up, and then take it to your side bend. Find the lift and length so that we're really trying to keep the ribs off of the hips. Keep the tailbone pointing to the earth. Oh, Mother Earth, woo, thank you for all you give us.
All right.
Feels so good to be outside today. Hopefully you get to get outside today. Finish this off, keep breathing nice and deep. Our last 10 seconds here. Woo, stay low, come on, finish it out. We got 10 more seconds, my friend. And just like that, even in your busy schedule, you get your standing abs in the books. For 3, for 2, for 1. High five yourself, you crushed it. Way to get your workout in today. And thank you to Allegra for presenting this episode. And thank you to yourself for showing up, even when you didn't have the time. You did it. Join us next time on ClassFit Sugar. Woo!